Lesson 1.2, Video 4. Now let's talk about special cases. And these special cases are horizontal lines and vertical lines. Now in these two cases we have a unique situation where your rise and run is very strange. With horizontal lines you'll notice that the line goes straight left to right and vertical lines go straight up and down. So let's talk about the uniqueness of each. A horizontal line, which is described as the horizon, if you think of it that way, runs left to right. The equation for horizontal lines is of the form y equals something. So if I were to graph the line y equals 5, I would find the y-intercept of 5, put a dot on it, and go like that. A horizontal line. A horizontal line has no rise, so the rise is 0 and the run can be whatever you want. So it doesn't go up or down, it just goes left to right, so no slope whatsoever, a flat surface. So we say the slope is 0. And again, a horizontal line is of the form y equals, because horizontal lines only intersect the y-axis. Now if we look at a vertical line runs up and down. Now this is of the form x equals something. So if I were to graph the line x equals -2, I would find -2 on the x-axis and draw a line up and down like that. Now this one is unique because it rises all the time, but it never runs. So this one is considered to have an undefined slope, because since it has no run, it's divided by 0 and it's undefined. So its slope does not work. So again, a vertical line only intersects the x-axis, which means it has the equation x equals something. Now let's take a look at a couple examples. Here we have a line y equals -5. Now we said y equals -5. It's either going to be horizontal or vertical. And this is only going to intersect the y-axis, hence the y equals. So since it only intersects the y-axis, it must be horizontal. If it's horizontal, the slope is 0, and the y-intercept will be -5. So let's try that. We find the y-axis, we find -5, and it is horizontal. Now if you try the next one, since it's x equals, it's only going to intersect the x-axis, which makes it vertical. Which means the slope is undefined, and the y-intercept is none. So if we graph it, we find 3 on the x-axis, and we graph our vertical line. So special cases with vertical and horizontal lines. And this is lesson 1.2, video 4.